Hey, if you're watching this video, you are interested in a trial of Kartra, and I'm going to show you how you can get a 30-day trial of Kartra instead of the traditional 14-day trial. So if you go to Kartra, normally you're going to click on it and it's going to offer you a 14-day trial. But if you use this little trick, then you will get a double that basically. So go ahead and open up Kartra right now and show you exactly how to get this. All right, so you need to use a specific link to get this, and I will put that at the very top of the comment section and at the top of the description. But what you're going to do is click on that link, and then it is going to take you to this page. You're going to either click on plans and pricing or start your trial. I'll just click on plans and pricing, and at this point you're going to see the different plans you have available to try. Obviously, Kartra is going to try to get you to go with the $199. Lots of people use the $99. Regardless, you're going to just scroll down here, and then you are going to act like you are going to leave the page. Now, typically, this is going to give you the 14-day trial right here. If you act like you're going to leave the page, this pop-up shows up and gives you the option for a 30-day trial. All you need to do is click yes, double my trial, and then that will give you 30 days instead of the 14. Now, I don't know how long this will actually last. They may pull this down tomorrow. They may leave it up for a long time. I'd imagine they'll leave it up for a long time, but either way, in order to find out, all you need to do, again, is just click on the link that you see in the description or the comment section, and then you can go from there and get started with Kartra. If you are not using Kartra right now, I definitely recommend you do it. You can also watch another video that I'll post right around here telling you why I left Kajabi for Kartra. That's it. Hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.